So starting with your feet together, feet touching the earth, head touching the sky, everything relaxed, shoulders relaxed and down. We're going to start with some shaking. So we're bouncing like we're bouncing on a trampoline. The knees are soft, slightly bent, tailbone tucked. And imagine you're just standing on a trampoline and feel the vibration going through your whole body, through your spine, your arms, even through your neck and your head. This exercise, you can see my feet are flat on the ground and it's just like I'm on a trampoline. My tailbone is pointing down, knees soft, letting the vibration go through the whole body. You can put your arms up as well, if you like, or you can just keep the arms down. Letting everything release into the ground. Any holding, any stress, let it go. Shaking, letting go. Notice any parts of the body where the energy is not moving. See if you can get the vibration going through the different parts. Now we're going to come up on our toes and down. Arms up on your toes and down. If you have problems with balance, you could keep your feet flat on the ground. Up on your toes, lift your arms. And we're going to add a drop, if you like, if this is okay for your spine. So you can either keep your feet flat or you can come up on your toes as you come up. Just letting go up, engage your core, letting go, releasing the stress, the holding. Holding a chi ball between the hands, we're just going to bring the chi down, bring our arms to the side. Bringing your feet hip width apart or a bit wider. Put your hands on the chest and we're just going to rotate the top half of our body, keeping our head, our gaze looking forward. So we're only turning from below our neck to above our hips. Hips are square and still. And we're just moving side to side. This is like giving yourself your own chiropractic treatment. You might feel a lot of cracking or crackling. Just isolating this part of the body from the waist to the shoulders. And you can add the arms. And you can let the arms swing over your belly and behind your back. Keeping the head forward, keeping your gaze forward. We're just rotating around the spine. Allowing things to open and adjust. I'll show you what my backhand is doing. Arms very relaxed. We're hitting the gate of life on the back. Now we're going to bring our arms up and around, nice big circles. Knees are soft, slightly bent, tucking your tailbones so you're supporting your lower back. Nice big arm rolls, loosening, lubricating the joints. Like you're rowing a boat, you're rowing in the heart of the lake. Now we're going to go into cloud hands. So cross your hands without touching, reach up, stretch, separating the clouds, and then hinging with a flat back forward, and then rolling up the spine. You could just do this without the forward bend if you prefer. So you hinge at the hips, come down, and then from your feet rolling up your spine, vertebra by vertebra. I'll show you from the side. Put your hands above your knees. Roll up your spine, pushing through your feet. This is separating the clouds. So feel yourself going into the earth, and then from the earth, coming up into the sky, separating the clouds. So it's this sense of going into the earth, yielding, and a sense of expanding into the sky. Push up through your feet, roll up your spine, opening each vertebra. And with the feet slightly wider, we're just going to shift our weight from side to side with it bent knees. Tailbone should be slightly tucked so it's pointing down. And you can let your body sway with the movement. It's a bit like a dog wagging its tail. How, the whole spine moves when the dog wags its tail. And if you like, you could also add the arms. And really feel the shifting of your weight in your feet, centers of your feet, like they're really merging into the earth as you shift the weight. And the earth is a kind of yielding quality. Now we're going to add snake arms. One arm goes out and the other one comes in. So the movement really comes from the shoulder blades. It's like you're doing a figure of 8 with your shoulder blades. We're going to go into some hip rotations. I'm going to combine with a stretch up, loosening the hips, stretching the sides of the body. If you prefer, you could just do the hips. Change direction. This is really good for the belly as well. The belly, the hips, your lower energy center. And I'm going to add some cloud hands. You can choose what you'd like to do. Separating the clouds. Rotating the hips. It's also massaging the knees and the ankles. Isolating the hips. Change direction. Focusing inside. This is what is the difference between Qigong and exercise. It's the focusing inwards, the mindfulness. Now I'm going to add a new move with the arms. I'm going to rotate the wrists. Coming up through the central line, reaching up, shoulders down. Rotate the wrists. If this is too much, you could just focus on your hips or just the arms till you get the coordination. Just go step by step. The mindfulness and the really connecting in with your body is the really important thing. Really feeling inwards, step by step. We want to do this in both directions. Now we're going to keep our hands to the side. We're going to shift our weight and stretch to the side. So I shift my weight, my left knee is bent, right leg straight, shifting over to the left. My left leg is straight, my right is bent. Shoulders down. This is called rainbow dance. You're holding a rainbow between your two palms. Shifting your weight. This is good for bringing up the earth energy into your belly, for stretching the sides. And make sure you're doing a side bend. You're stretching up and over. You're not twisting your body. Your hips are square. And release. Let's have a little shake that out. It can be quite powerful in the arms. The arms have a lot of meridians. You want to open up those arms. Now I'm just going to do like a plie. Bending and bringing the arms up, grounding and stretching. Make sure that your knees are going over your toes. They're not buckling in or out. Everything's in alignment. Feel your core a little engaged. Make sure your tailbone is a little bit tucked so that you're supporting your lower back. Now I'm going with my knees bent. I'm going to roll down my spine. And I'm going to turn the wheel. So I'm holding a wheel and I'm stretching mindfully in a circle. Knees are bent and soft. As I go back, my tailbone is slightly tucked so that I'm not crunching my lower back. Engage your core. Feel into your body. Should be an enjoyable stretch. Feeling that your feet rooted in the earth as you stretch up. You're rotating from your center. Let's change direction. Slowly, mindfully enjoying the stretch. Connecting inward. Back to center, and we're going to roll up through our spine, tucking in your tailbone. Keeping the knees bent, we're going to hold a chi ball. Shoulders relaxed. Feet in the earth, head touching the sky. And I'm going to breathe in, and I'm going to slightly open my hands, breathe out, close my palms together, like I'm breathing with a chi ball. Breathe in, slightly open your chi ball. Breathe out, close. Bring your feet together, stand up from your top of your head, bring your feet together. We're going to lift up this chi ball above our head, shoulders rooted down. And we're going to harmonize the chi. So feel the space between your palms, chi ball merging with your body part by part. Your hands scanning your body, bringing in the chi through your body, all the way through your feet to the earth. Hands deep into the earth, lifting up a chi ball diagonally. Concentrate on the space between your hands and your arms. Into the sky, draw down the sky river through your body. Lift chi up. Pour chi down, harmonizing the chi. Lifting up the earth energy through your body, around your body, harmonizing. Hands into the sky, big chi hands pouring chi down. Scanning through your body part by part. This is a good way to train the mind to connect deeper with the body. This is a very good training and healing, bringing the mind, body and chi together, using the hands as like a mirror connected with our heart. And this time we're going to bring our hands on our lower dantian. Let the chi continue to flow down to our feet, nourish chi.